Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not launching or opening. First thing first, head over to your Steam and get logged into your account. Select Library and select the game that you have installed and that you are having problem with. Right click onto it, select Properties. Select General, make sure this overlay is enabled. Next, select Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now this might take a couple minutes according to the game data that you have. Once done, close this. Now for the next step, press Windows and R and then type in %local app data %. Enter. You will find Steam folder here. Double click onto it. These are all the cache that you should delete. So go ahead, select the bin icon and delete everything that you can. Now once you do so, again go back to your local, select temp folder. Repeat the same process. Select everything and delete all the temporary files, which will be regenerated itself. If you cannot delete some of the folders or files, you can skip this. Now go ahead, restart your device and this shall fix the problem.